plays an important role in modern industry. Various industrial sectors consume a certain amount of coal to some extent. Therefore, some people call coal the real food of industry. Coal exists mostly in the form of powder, which naturally means the use of ball pressing equipment. Then how to solve the coal ball press equipment dislocation problem? There are roughly two kinds. The first type, circumferential dislocation, adjustment of circumferential direction, dislocation, is provided with an adjustment disc. At the end of the passive gear, first loosen the circumferential bolt. Tighten the wire with a manual wrench. According to the dislocation direction and number, determine the direction of tightening the wire and the number of the buckle. Then tighten the circumferential bolt on the adjustment disc, and then insert the test plate to test the dislocation situation in adjustment. Second, axial dislocation adjustment. Loosen the end cover of the bearing seat of the roller, need to be adjusted, and then according to the amount of displacement, add or reduce the gasket at both ends of the bearing end cover, and then tighten the gland bolt. It needs to be explained that this dislocation rarely appears, and the general coal ball press has been adjusted before leaving the factory.